Hello all, welcome to this tutorial on using Omniverse Replicator. Today we will explore how to leverage the power of Replicator for generating synthetic data. Let's dive in. Synthetic data generation is the process of creating artificial data instead of collecting real world data, which can be used to train AI models. Replicator is NVIDIA Omniverse framework for generating high quality synthetic datasets with photorealistic images and precise annotations. So let's start exploring Replicator. You can open Omniverse Launcher and launch iSaxim. If you haven't installed it, go back and see the previous videos. Next step is to open a warehouse environment. Go to Isaac Assets, type warehouse and search. So you can find it, drag and drop to stage. Click on this button in NVIDIA Omniverse, often used for selecting different rendering variables like semantic segmentation, instant segmentation, bounding boxes, etc. for synthetic data generation or visualization. You can check on the required options so that you will be able to see it. If it is not getting displayed, click on Show Window. In semantic segmentation, we were able to see different objects in different colors since it have different labels. But if we are adding a new object, we may need to add label to it. For that, you can add some shapes to the scene. It can be cone, cube, sphere, torus, etc. Now we can check how it is displayed now. So you can see in semantic segmentation, both the objects have another color and they are not categorized properly. Now we can label it using schematic schema editor. Click on the required object, go to semantic schema editor. If you are not able to find, you can go to Replicator and tick the window. Click the object and click on add. Since it is a cube, the label was already there. You can also name it. Now when you show window of semantic segmentation, you will be able to see it as different objects. Now let's move to the script editor to implement some automation. One of the replicator's key strengths is its ability to randomize object properties. Here I will write a Python script to apply uniform randomization to the position. This randomization ensures variability in the dataset, which is essential for creating robust AI models. Once the script is executed, you will notice that the object is dynamically moved to different positions. Import replicator libraries, define prim paths. So you can use the copied prim path of the objects as prim path. Find the object to randomize, right click on it, copy prim path, paste it here. Define prim's node. Rep.modify.pose is a function in Omniverse Replicator used to modify the pose of a prim or a set of prims. When combined with the rep.distribution.uniform function, it allows you to randomly distribute these poses within a specified uniform range. The replicator script essentially creates and configures an action graph. This graph defines the sequence of actions, including tasks like dataset generation, scene setup, and rendering. Once the graph is created, it can be played or executed to perform the defined actions, making it a powerful tool for automating tasks like synthetic data generation. So on run, we found out that there is an error in the code. So correct that and then run again. Now the action graph is created. If you are clicking on play button, you will be able to see the randomization of these prims. Since the prim went out of the view, you can go to a better view and then select prims and copy the prim URL of those prims for this. If you want to randomize multiple prims, you can also do that as well. Once scripting is completed, execute the Python script and play. Then you will be able to see your prim moving in random positions. Now you can try adding more prims to the prim path. So for that, you can find a proper model, right click on it and copy prim path and paste it here after a comma. Do the same for a third model. Once it is done, you can execute the code in script editor and then play. The position of the selected prims are randomized. You can apply randomization to other properties also as per your requirement. Once you have a randomized scene, you can start generating synthetic data images. After setting up randomization, we move to synthetic content generation. Omniverse Replicator allows us to create photorealistic images and also export metadata. This synthetic data is perfect for training machine learning models without relying on costly real world data collection. For synthetic data generation, go to synthetic data recorder, give a location, give number of frames and start. After some time, your synthetic data will be there in this particular folder. Click on this button to browse to that location. That's how you can use Omniverse Replicator to efficiently generate synthetic data. All the generated data is now ready for analysis and further processing, making it a powerful tool for automation and synthetic data workflows. Thanks for watching.